So hello, and my name is Glenn, and in this video we're looking at UV features of the Maldives banknotes that I do have. So the Maldives has one of the best banknotes in the world, that's according to my opinion, because it lacks a lot of spaces and the banknote just flows through. And it just flows. So all the design features correlate, and it doesn't have a disjunct. So like this banknote, each of these features is pretty separate. Like this part here with the name of the bank is separate from this part here with the denomination and the picture of Ho Chi Minh, and so is the bottom. So this banknote, while it does look okay, it's not the best. And on the back you had the same thing, and you got this German banknote which also has a lot of separate features, but it just looks symmetry, so it just flows, it looks even and nice. And even though you got two parts here, you got part here and this side, it still makes it look like a nice banknote. So the Maldives banknotes are quite good. So let's have a look at these security features. So this is the lowest value, 5 rupiah, and no UV features on that side. So this one's the 2017, currently in circulation. If you look on this side, you can see the soccer ball lights up. Okay, and we also have a 5 up the top here, and but the security 41197 doesn't have UV in it, so that's the simplest one. This one's probably equivalent to about 50 cents. If we look at the 10 rupiah, you can see you got the 10 there, and also you got these. So you got 1, 2. Believe that they're coconuts, they light up, and also you got the pattern in the background, but that's part of a different feature, so that reflects light and it's not UV. And you also have the serial number lights up. If we look on the back, which has a drum, we don't see any UV features, so that's nice. Then we have the 20, so you got the 20 number there, and you got, is that a jellyfish that lights up, or a squid? I'm not too sure, it looks like it might be a jellyfish. Anyway, look at there. So we talk about this image here, and the yellow lights up, so it's nice. And then we have the serial number again. So yep, there you go. Okay, so that's pretty simple. Now I don't have the highest values, the 100, 500, 1000, and just based on this, I reckon that they probably have a lot better UV features than these smaller denominations. And the highest value I got is the 50 rupiah. So we've got 50 again, and the bottom of the book stand. And then you have these reflective patterns as well, and again, no, the serial number's not reflective, doesn't have UV in it. Oh well, so that's quite nice. Let's have a look and see at the back. So this is a what is one of those turrets at the front of a mosque called a prayer. Okay, it doesn't have any security features on that side or UV. So that is the Maldives banknotes. Hopefully I'll be able to get the other denominations sooner or later. But the 1,000 rupiah is equivalent to $100, and you're pretty much paying $150, $200 to get one on the internet. It's probably a bit much. So maybe I should go for a holiday in the Maldives and use this currency. The coins are actually quite good as well. So that's the security features for the Maldives. Anyway, thank you very much for watching my video. I'll leave a link down below to eBay so you can get some of these awesome banknotes yourself. And have a good time. Thank you and goodbye.